So here's a real situation. A post on a LinkedIn says the business analyst leads the entire kickoff. The scope, stakeholders, RACI, risk, success matrix. Does that sound any familiar to you? Let me be very clear. I have a massive respect for BAs. In fact, I have worked with some incredible top notch ones. But if you think project manager just takes notes while the BA runs the kickoff, folks, then we have this governance problem to solve. Let's consider solving this problem today. Let's fix the situation once and for all. The project kickoff isn't just a box ticketing meeting, it's the foundation where expectations are aligned, roles are clarified, and the path to success is mapped out. And while both the PM and the BA plays vital roles, let's be very clear, they don't play the same one, right? Okay. Now, according to PMI's PMBOK guide, the project manager is actually the one who is accountable for delivering the project outcomes. And that includes defining of scope, managing stakeholders' engagement, planning out communication, and identifying risks early, and ensuring also that there exists an alignment between all parties, the stakeholders. The BA actually supports these efforts by providing deep insight into requirements and business needs. But support is not same as ownership. Let's break it down. Here is side by side view of the key kickoff activities and who's actually responsible for each one, backed by PMBOK and real project experience. First, clarify project scope. Who owns this? The PM. With the input from whom? The BA. The project charter defines what's in and what's out. The BA may help uncover need, but it's the PM who aligns it with the business case and scope baseline. Second, defining roles and responsibilities. That RACI matrix everyone talks about. That's the PM's job. The PM ensures the project governance is in place. The BA might clarify who's involved from a business process perspective, but the structure and the clarity, that's on the PM. Third, understanding stakeholders. Yes, both PM and BA do this, but again, roles differ. The PM actually identifies the key stakeholders and map influence and impact power. Remember that power and influence matrix, right? The BA supports by understanding needs and expectations in detail. They work together, but PM leads the charge. Fourth is communication plan, basically. The PM owns this full stop. This is part of the project management plan, actually. The PM is the one who owns it. The BA may provide preference or help coordinate feedback cycles, but tools, cadence, updates, all are set by the PM. Fifth is capturing high-level requirements. Now we are in the BA's world. The BA leads these workshops, those interviews, and discussions to uncover business needs. The PM ensures this aligns with scope and schedule, but the BA owns this piece totally. Sixth is identifying risks and assumptions. PMs are responsible for risk management planning as outlined in the PMBOK. The BA may uncover risks related to the process or unclear requirements, but it's the PM who ensures those are tracked, prioritized, as well as they are mitigated. Seventh is aligning on success metrics. This is a collaboration between the PM and the sponsor. The BA can help define how these metrics relate or translates into the deliverables and KPIs, but accountability sits with the PM. Bottom line, the PM is orchestrator, aligning strategy, stakeholders, timelines, and budget. The BA is the investigator, pulling out details, translating needs, and ensuring solution is fit for the purpose. Right? Let me share one of the real example from my past experiences leading a large-scale IT integration project. The stakes were high, multiple systems, multiple stakeholders, and lot of interdependencies. The BA I worked with uncovered the gaps that would have otherwise become large stage defects later on. But I didn't hand over the kickoff. I led it. I set the agenda. I defined the scope boundaries. I aligned the affiliate priorities, addressed license models, and clarified handoffs. I made sure the governance model was locked in before we dove into the discovery. Had I stepped back and let the BA drive the kickoff solo, we would have risked gathering excellent requirements for the wrong scope or for an unapproved priority as well. Instead, we worked together. I established the framework, he executed brilliantly within it, and that's how it should work. Clear roles, strong collaboration, aligned accountability. So, next time when you see a post suggesting a BA runs the project kickoff solo, pause and ask, who's ultimately responsible, accountable for delivering the overall project? The answer will always point to the PM. And now I want to hear from you. Have you been in a kickoff where these roles got blurred? Did it create confusion, delay, maybe even missed requirements or hidden risks? Drop your experience in the comments. I am gathering stories for my next video. Why project governance fails before planning even begins. I am Jesse. I have led tough projects, coached real teams, and I'm here to help you do the same. This isn't theory. This is the edge you have been looking for. Thanks for listening.